we as business owners get paid when we solve problems. So if you want to make more money, just solve more problems. So many people focus on how do I make more money, when in reality they should be focusing on how can I solve the problem better, faster, easier. How can I solve a problem? That's how you're going to do that. That's how you're going to create value, and then they'll exchange their value for yours. So once we understand that, the next thing to truly understand about using the internet to sell anything is we have to build a list of people that have the problem that we can solve, and then we just sell the people on that list the solution to their problem. Does that make sense? If you can state this line right here, it's going to help you so much in the rest of this, and it's going to help you so much to be able to sell things. If you can say, I help this niche to solve this problem with your system or method, you would obviously need to fill in these underlined parts. But when you can say that fluently, and it's clean and it makes sense, then you're going to have so much more fun. It's going to be so much easier to attract and convert people, and you'll just have focus that you would never have before. Here's what a lot of people are struggling with. They're out there, maybe yourself, and you're looking for a way to make money or to sell something or to boost your business or to maybe replace your 9-to-5 or whatever it is. And you're out there and you're looking all over the place for a solution, and you're just getting little bits and pieces here and there, and your focus is split up between all these different things. And if this was just 8 hours in our day, so many of you are just making an inch of progress in 8 different directions. But when you figure out this, and you figure out how to do all of this, how to attract, convert, and deliver, then you can just take all of your focus and you can be making 8 inches of progress each day, and you'll just fly past things. It'll be less stressful. You'll be able to really just focus and get to work. And that's, I think, what so many people want. But you're out there looking around, finding all these different gurus on YouTube, or you're looking all over the place and you're trying to patch all these things together. And I remember that, and then you don't know how to do the technology part of it. You don't know what software you need. You don't know how to do these things. And then you just get pretty much defeated, and you're like, oh gosh, I guess this just isn't for me. But I want to take that away, and I want to clear that up with you. And I want to simplify this down. And that's why I like using these little pictures on the board, because, it really is just a simple system. And once you figure it out and do it consistently, it will perform for you just like it has so many other people. People make hundreds of millions, billions of dollars using this exact process each and every day to sell their products and programs, to build their brand, to build a business around their life and lifestyle and everything that they're doing.